다르네.
안녕하세요 여러분. 제 이름은 Ryan입니다 and I am back with another cooking video. 오늘 I will show you how to make a simple, colorful, and delicious dish that originated in Korea. Can you guess what it is? 다름 아닌 bibimbap. I'm going to make this video quick and simple, so without further ado, gacha! So here are the ingredients used in making bibimbap. For our yache, we will be using dangun, gyojaip, kongnamul, and oi as our fruit. Then next we'll be using soltang, chamgilum, sigcho, ganjang, chamke, badajapcho, gochujang, bosos, gilun, and kimchi. Don't forget about our gyelan and sal. By the way, I'll be using the jigogi, but I'll take it out later on. We see jaghaja. So first things first, let's make our first sauce or our gochujang sauce. Add a spoonful of gochujang sauce together with vinegar, then stir. And then, add a little bit of sugar, and then some sesame seeds, and then stir it again. After that, you're finished with your gochujang sauce. Now on to our second sauce. Let's put a little bit of vinegar into our bowl. Then goes our soy sauce. Add a little bit of sesame oil and then some sesame seeds. Mix them up and there you have your second sauce. Now that we finished the two sauces, it's time to put them onto the pork. And then stir it up. When the pork is fully coated with the sauces and you can smell that good scent, marinate it for a few minutes. While marinating your pork, use this precious time for preparing your vegetables. After that, it's time to cook our pork cuts. Heat up your pan or wok, then put some little bit of oil, then place your pork cuts on it. Then just stir it around until it's cooked. Once it's cooked, place it onto a plate. And there you have it, perfectly cooked spicy pork. Next up is our veggies. Heat up your pan and add some oil, then let's cook over our mustard leaves. To know if it's cooked, it should have this dark green color. Next up is our carrots and spring beans. By the way, you should be using the same wok or pan so that the veggies can absorb the flavoring or seasonings. No need for salt. And then, same goes with our mushrooms. Finally, the most exciting part, assembling the bibimbap itself. I'll first start with my veggies. Make sure your hands are clean when in contact with the veggies. Then add our spicy pork. And here's something special I want to add in my bibimbap.
cucumber, and kimchi. And of course, place a sunny side up egg on top of it. By the way, you can watch how to cook a sunny side up egg from my previous video, linked down below. Then add our gochujang sauce on the side of the egg, and then add some sesame seeds and seaweeds as finishing touches. And there you have it. Just look at it. So colorful. So beautiful. Just wow. Taste time.
Oma, can you taste my bibimbap?
Of course, Ryan. This looks yummy. Nice.
Now you might be wondering, what type of rice did I use in making my bibimbap? Well, the answer is white rice. White rice is the most common rice used in almost any dish. It originally came from China and it has a mild flavor and a softer and delicate texture. So this type of rice is perfect in making bibimbap.
Well, that's it guys. 감사합니다 for watching the whole video and I hope you learned something new in making your own bibimbap. Well, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. 안녕!
상상하기조차 싫은